McDonald's is killing it this morning. Not really. I've been in the drive-thru line for like 20 minutes. It was wrapped all the way around the building. I don't know what the deal is, but I guess everybody's like jonesing for like a muffin or something the day after Christmas. Today I'm going to head out to go to Longview, Texas. I've located a side window with a sliding glass for my bus, and so I figured I got the day off. It's like horribly dreary. I might as well go to Longview and get a bus window and make a video. Man, it is a dreary day. I'm wearing shades because it's like so overcast that it's like it makes my eyes hurt. It's like white. I guess it's kind of like when people like in the snow or something, they get kind of snow blind. When it's overcast, it bugs the heck out of me. I always have to wear shades. But I'm driving, man. It's a little over an hour where I'm heading, so it's going to be a couple hour round trip. But I'm happy that I found a window, which it's kind of weird. It's getting to be a point where it's like, wow, getting Volkswagen parts is not what it used to be, where you'd run down to the wrecking yard and they would be everywhere. Now you got to really hunt for them. But I found somebody in Longview, Texas that has a Volkswagen air-cooled shop. Seems to be really reputable. I actually sent a picture to the dude on Facebook, and within one day he sent me back a picture of the window and said, yeah, I've got one, and I was like, dude, I'll take it. So I'm heading over here just to get it taken care of. I'm excited about it. But it's been a while since I've been on this road. I used to drive this road every day for around 12 years. If you guys have been watching the blog for a long time, I used to manage a boat dealership in Marshall, Texas, and I commuted every day back and forth, a little over an hour and 15 minutes. So a lot of the videos that I did, some of the commentary would be in my truck or something, heading to the boat dealership or back to the house. But it feels weird being on this road. It's been about 5 years since I really had to drive it this direction. Most of the time I'm heading towards Dallas, not towards Shreveport. But it's I don't know. It's kind of familiar. It's kind of not. It's just kind of reminiscent, and I'm kind of thinking about this next coming year. I'm going to get ready to start my second year in the real estate business. First year turned out okay, man. I set my goal at like 14 transactions, and I reached it. So, I need to do double that really to make a living wage. But when you're starting out cold and have no idea what you're doing, you just kind of push your way through it all and make it happen. But I was able to pull it off. So I'm gonna give it another year and see if it sticks. If not, I'll try to figure out what I'm gonna do next. I like the freedom that it gives me, but I definitely need to get some referral business rocking to make a living at it. But everything else is going good. I'm looking forward to the new year. I hope everybody had a blessed Christmas and got to spend it with their families. I'm looking forward to breaking out the welder. I don't know if you watch a guy named Clark Underwood here on YouTube, but he's building Volkswagen stuff, but he's also a very talented videographer. It's very interesting to watch his videos, and he had sent me a message on my last video just indicating that he was still working with a Harbor Freight welder. I was curious what the difference would be. So as soon as that things kind of settle, it's probably going to be a couple weeks, but I need to clear out a little bit more in the garage. But I'll definitely break it open, dude, and I'll let you know what the difference is going to be welding with argon gas and being able to actually control the temperature a lot better on thin metal. But otherwise, guys, just down the road I go. All right, there it is. Mission complete. So we can do here. That dude was super cool that runs the shop. He's had it since '91. I guess his dad had it before him. So if you're ever in Longview, Texas, definitely look up. It's oak. Man, I'll find out the Facebook page or something and link you to it. The place is stuffed full of parts. The guy has over 200 Volkswagens. He has over 200 Volkswagens in out on his holding yard, so that's really cool. Oh, I can't figure out how to use my own radio. So it turns out my window's tinted. So I've got a long way to go with doing a lot of this. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like when I get it all off there. Never had to remove window tint that's old like this, but it sucks. So after cutting the lip on the inside, we'll get the window out here, see how bad this bottom is. It's pretty bad. I don't know if you can see that crunchy stuff right there. Whew, that'll look good. Fixing to vacuum it out of there and see what's underneath it. Hopefully a little bit of metal. Well, it's pretty rough. It's going to have to be cut out and a new piece put in here. There's not even any left right there, just a hole. So, I mean, I didn't expect it to be perfect by any means. The rest of it looks good, but this bottom edge definitely is going to have to be replaced. I think though, just because I'm working on other parts of the bus right now, I'm probably not going to jump right on this, but I'm going to try to use the old rubber that came with that window that I just bought and put that thing in, just in case if I can get this thing running and I need to move it and it has to go outside or go down the road, at least has a window in it. So luckily the rubber on that window is pretty soft, so hopefully I can get it in. We'll see. Well, it turns out the put a piece of rope in the window rubber and pull it around with a cord with it all soaped up and stuff doesn't work with 40-year-old rubber. It just cut the lip right off of it. So for right now, I just went ahead and threw it up there with some wonderful white duct tape to hold it in place where that it doesn't end up getting kicked in the garage somewhere. But there is a window there, rather than a broken one, but I don't think I'll be driving with it there, but certainly until I can get this garage cleaned up, that's a good place for it as any. Alright guys, we'll take it easy and we'll check in with you next time. Peace out and have a happy new year.